Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the options available in the edit mode in the Power BI service. So essentially a Power BI service has two modes for a report, a read mode and an edit mode. So we've already covered the read mode in the previous video in the playlist. Let's start with the edit mode. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here and I'll go to the workspace on the left, learn to Excel, and I'll go on to reports and I've got a report here, so I'll open on that. And it gives me, so at the moment when it opens, it does open in the read mode, but we are more interested in the edit mode. So I'll just click on edit report and it gives us a few options. We'll quickly go through them. So I'll open the file one. So you can save this report. You can change the name of the report and save it in a separate name. You can obviously print it. You can embed it into, so if you click on this, it will generate some code which you can use to embed to a website or a portal. But make sure that if you've got some data which is restricted, if the report is published onto a website, the data will become visible as well. So if you want to do it or you don't want to do it, but it's good to be aware of that. You can embed it to a SharePoint online. You can publish to web. You can export to PowerPoint, export to PDF and download the report. Essentially, which is you're downloading the PBIX file onto it will probably download into your downloads folder if you're on Windows. Then you've got the view option where you can fit to page, fit to width, actual size. Then you can specify the contrast color, so you can change the colors of this. I can show you a quick one. So if I say high contrast one, and you can see it's totally changed the view. So we'll just go back and toggle back to none. And we'll go to it gives us the option to show smart guides. You can show grid lines. You can do snap to grid. You can lock objects so people cannot move the objects on your report. You can click on selection pane, so it shows you the order in which the objects are selected if you press the tab button. I'm just going to go and cross it out. You can look at the various bookmarks and you can click on sync slicer pane. Then an essential one is probably you can ask a question. So you can type a question in English language like natural language and it will give you various possible visuals around it. It has the option where you can basically create a text box in your report and put some text in, freehand text. You can create shapes like rectangle, oval, and then you can format these shapes. So that's a fairly good one. You've got some buttons available with the edit mode, like left arrow, right arrow. You have a back. So if you want to go back to the home page, Q&A, bookmark, and so on. You can enable visual interactions as well. So if you want to make sure that which visuals can interact or what are the visual interactions available, you can make changes here. I'll go on to, you can obviously pin a live page to the dashboard, which is a good option, and you can generate QR code. So if you've generated the QR code, anyone who's got a scanner can scan it and open the Power BI report just by scanning this. And you can analyze in Excel. So these are just a few options available in the edit mode. Outside of that, you can also add another page onto your report. This option is not available in the read mode, so it's a fairly good thing to be aware of. And then you can see the fields and the visuals, which is not available in the read mode as well. So in this video, we've quickly covered what are the options available in the edit mode in the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Cheers, bye.